A quick JavaScript aside. JSON. What's JSON? Big word alert. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a standard for structuring data that's inspired by JavaScript object literals. In other words, JSON is just a way of writing things in text, of writing data so that other systems that understand JSON can receive your data, and if your system understands JSON, can send you data. Many, many programming languages, many systems and servers have features that allow them to send and receive JSON. However, JavaScript engines are built to understand it, and it's very easy for us to think in terms of JSON because it's so simple to object literal syntax. It might look something like this. Curly braces, name and value pairs. And the value can also be another name-value pair collection, just like an object literal. Note, though, that we don't put functions here because this is just pure data being sent across the wire. And we also have to put our names in quotes. However, JavaScript and the V8 engine, for example, comes built in with the ability to take this as text and convert this to a JavaScript object, just as if we had used object literal notation, and also can take objects and convert them to JSON just as easily. All right, that's all. Let's move on.